Hello, my name is Rebecca. This is part of a series of tutorials for the Computational Design program in the Faculty of the Built Environment at the University of New South Wales. This is to assist in projects 1 to 4 in Code 1150, Computational Design Fundamentals. The objective of Project 1 is to introduce students to the process of design to production using Grasshopper laser cutting and plywood as a material. In Project 1, students are required to design and produce the first letter of their name, such as what you see here. Now, the first series will look at a few different strategies in modeling a three-dimensional letter using Grasshopper and Rhino. We will study the letter S as it's one of the letters most students find challenging compared to letters that are more orthogonal and of course without curves such as T or L, where it's also necessary for us to find a way to bend or to be able to bend plywood to replicate the curvature of your letters. So later we will discuss how to develop this. This is what we call a living hinge pattern, which scores the plywood so you're able to bend the plywood at a certain angle and follow the curvature of your design. So to start with, we'll empty out our canvas. Delete. Okay, along the sidebar in Rhino, you'll find there's a text object icon. This would allow you to choose. This would allow you to choose your fonts. We'll leave the height at 20, solid thickness 0. Okay. This is the simplest way to create a 2D shape of the letter S. What we'll do is simply reference this in Grasshopper so we can alter the properties of this shape. So parameters, geometry, use the geometry, parameter, geometry, right click, set one geometry, and select the letter S you've created in Rhino. As you can see, it's no longer orange to indicate that it's empty. It is now referencing the letter S that you've created in Rhino. This is not developable as yet, as it doesn't have a thickness, so what we'll do is go to Surface, Freeform, Extrude. For this very simple definition, we will simply create a parametric thickness. This is the extrude component that would perform an extrude. If you hover over B, it's asking for a profile of a curve or a surface, so we'll simply attach it like so. D asks for a vector. Under the Vectors tab, vector Z, attach it like so. As you can see, it updates the what you see in the viewport. It gives us a default value of 1. We can also add input number slider. We'll change it to integers. Right click as well, values, maximum value, we'll give it a 20. Commit. Oops, somehow it's got a negative. Okay, great. So this is the simplest way to model a 3D letter using Grasshopper and Rhino geometries. Very simple Grasshopper definition with parametric height value. We'll set this aside for now before we proceed to prepare it for fabrication.